Thank you, Sir Shane, for that introduction. So, good afternoon, everyone. I am Elke Kyle Sadamen of Zero Waste Baguio and also co-founder of Tingi Station. So, today I'm wearing two hats. No? I represent Zero Waste Baguio and also share our initiatives sa Tingi Station. Ayan. Nantay ko lang yung slides. Anyway, while waiting, I think while preparing for the slides, introduce ko na si Zero Waste Baguio. Zero Waste Baguio is actually a non-government organization here in Baguio that is advocating for zero waste lifestyle, ecological